Imagine holding a device in your hand that costs you nearly $1,500, claims to possess the processing power of a desktop computer, and promises to redefine how you interact with reality itself. That is the exact high-stakes reality of the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Apple didn't just build a new phone this time. They engineered a monolith of modern technology designed to make every previous smartphone look like an ancient relic. But let's look past the slick marketing, the glamorous keynote presentations, and the massive lines outside the Apple Store. Is the iPhone 18 Pro Max a genuine, generational leap forward in consumer engineering, or is it the ultimate psychological trap, designed to make us spend a small fortune on features we don't actually need? To understand the absolute chokehold this device has on the American market, you have to realize that Apple is no longer just competing with other tech companies. They are competing with our expectations of the future. The smartphone market had reached a stagnant plateau for years, with minor camera upgrades and incremental battery improvements. People were holding on to their older devices longer because the thrill was gone. Apple knew they had to deliver a psychological shock to the system. They needed a device so radically capable that it would force millions of people to upgrade instantly. When you first see the iPhone 18 Pro Max, the design language hits you like a wave. It utilizes a refined, ultra-lightweight matrix titanium alloy that feels impossibly strong yet noticeably lighter in the hand. The borders around the screen have practically vanished, pushing the display to the absolute physical edge of the chassis. This isn't just a screen anymore. It is a floating pane of hyper-vibrant glass that alters its refresh rate fluidly, depending on what your eyes are doing. The brightness levels are engineered to overwhelm direct sunlight, making text, photos, and interfaces look painted onto the glass. It possesses a physical elegance that instantly signals pure luxury. If you place this phone face up on a table, everyone in the room knows exactly what it is. But the real magic, and the real controversy, lies beneath that beautiful titanium shell. This machine is powered by a chip that defies the traditional laws of mobile silicon. It marks the dawn of a new era of architecture that moves so fast it handles billions of operations in the blink of an eye. For the average user typing out a text message or scrolling through a social media feed, this power is completely invisible. It is like putting a rocket engine inside a golf cart. But when you push this device to its absolute limits, you realize what Apple has actually built. It runs complex, console-quality video games with ray tracing enabled, maintaining flawless frame rates without turning the back of the phone into a hot plate. It compiles code, processes massive datasets, and handles tasks that used to require a desktop computer with a dedicated cooling system. This brings us to the true battleground of the iPhone 18 Pro Max: the artificial intelligence integration. This isn't the basic, gimmicky voice assistant tech of the past decade. This is a deeply woven, predictive neural network that runs entirely on the device itself. It doesn't send your data to a distant server. It processes your life locally, securely, and instantly. It learns your habits, anticipates your needs, and filters the chaos of your digital world before it even hits your screen. It can rewrite complex emails, summarize hours of audio conversations with perfect context,